Hi, I wanted to talk about reviews of medical practices, clinics and doctors online. This week, some concerning news emerged about clinics using fake Google reviews. Now, many businesses, medical practices, clinics use companies or outsource their marketing to other companies where these companies collect the reviews for you, either by contacting the patients directly or sending out the link for the Google review. And in a lot of instances, outsourcing these companies, they're all perfectly legitimate. But what was found in this article is that with some of the reviews that were written on Google reviews, you can click on the reviewer and see other reviews they've left about other things. And they found that some reviewers left several reviews about several different businesses that they used at around the same time in different countries. So it's highly unlikely that these reviews are legitimate. And this is concerning because people make decisions based on reviews. The same with going to a restaurant, a film you may watch, a product you may buy. And you make a decision based on that. The trouble with medical practice is you're making decisions about your health potentially based on a false review of someone's practice, and therefore that will affect the care that you receive. So this article made reference to a couple of practices, I think a dental practice and a spine clinic somewhere in the UK, where the marketing was outsourced to a review company. I think in the case of the spine clinic, it was based in India somewhere and found flaws with it. Now, that's not necessarily a bad reflection on the clinic itself. I'm not saying maybe these clinics genuinely give a good service and possibly most of their patients are satisfied with their care. But it's important that if this is posted online for other patients to review, that they know that these reviews are truthful. At the Spine MDT, we don't outsource any of our reviews, we actually collect our own reviews, but there are some legitimate marketing companies in the UK or review companies that many medical practices use, such as Doctify or Top Doctors. And whilst I've never used their services, as far as I know, they're completely legitimate. But they are paid services. Medical practices, clinicians pay for these companies to basically try and get them good reviews, to help them show up high on Google. But nonetheless, they're legitimate as far as I know, and they tend to verify their reviews. So at the Spine MDT, we don't pay any outside company to collect our reviews for us. We email all our patients a link to leave a review at their will, or there's also a link on their clinic letter, and they do this at their will without harassment. When they do leave a Google review, we verify them ourselves. The reason being, if someone leaves a review out of basic courtesy, we like to thank them or reply to them just out of courtesy, but also check the name of the reviewer, that we have actually seen that patient, to verify that they are genuine. The other reason is we proactively actually look for negative reviews, because the whole point of receiving reviews isn't just to show off or try and boost our service or our practice, it's to try and actually improve the service we give our patients. So we look for negative feedback, and it's extremely rare, but when we do so, then we try and interact with that patient, rectify things, and then improve the service as we go along. The way you improve any service in any business is a constant feedback loop of getting feedback, improving the things or doing things differently to make sure they're done better. And that's what we've always practiced, and that's why generally we get good reviews. So these are things that are quite easy to verify yourself. Click on the reviewer. So when you Google a business, a company or a medical practice, click on one of the reviewers and you can see other reviews they may have left and the time they've left those reviews. If they've left reviews for 10 different companies, different services in completely different countries around the same time, they're unlikely to be genuine. And then also check if someone's responded to the reviews as well. It usually means they themselves have verified it most of the time, but you can't always be certain. I hope you found this video helpful. Please click on the subscribe button to receive more videos. Try and put one out every week. Please visit us at spinemdt.com or email us on the link below or call us to find out more about our one-stop spine clinic, one price package with clinic consultation and spine included, as well as our packages of care with our other therapists. If there's anything we can help you with, please let us know. Thank you.